If you use an Android phone every day, there's a good chance you're missing some amazing features. Because honestly, Android is packed with hidden tools that most people never discover, and some of them can make your phone faster, easier to use, more secure, and much more productive. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best hidden Android features in 2026 that most users never find. First, split screen mode, because many people still don't realize Android can run two apps at the same time. For example, Canva, watch YouTube, browse the web, reply to messages, or take notes without constantly switching between apps. To use it, open the recent apps screen, tap the app icon, and select split screen. Honestly, once you start using this feature, it's hard to go back. Another hidden feature, live caption, because Android can automatically create captions for videos and audio even if the content doesn't include subtitles. To try it, press a volume button, then tap the caption icon if available on your device. And honestly, this feature feels like magic the first time you use it. Now let's talk about quick settings customization, because most people only use whatever icons appear by default, but Android lets you customize the entire quick settings panel. Simply swipe down, tap the edit button, and add shortcuts for features you use frequently, such as flashlight, screen recording, hotspot, QR scanner, and device controls. Now another amazing feature, app pinning, because sometimes you want someone to use one app without giving them access to your entire phone. Android allows you to lock the screen to a single app. Go to Settings, Security, App Pinning, then enable it. And honestly, this is incredibly useful when handing your phone to someone else. Now another hidden tool, Nearby Share or Quick Share, because Android makes it very easy to transfer files between devices. You can send photos, videos, documents, and links without needing cables. And honestly, many people still don't know this feature exists. Now let's talk about screen recording, because years ago you needed third-party apps, but modern Android phones include built-in screen recording. Simply open Quick Settings, look for Screen Recorder, and start recording. Perfect for tutorials, gameplay, bug reports, and demonstrations. Now another feature. Many people miss digital well-being, because Android includes tools that show screen time, app usage notifications, and daily habits. Go to Settings, Digital Well-Being. And honestly, many users are shocked by how much time they spend on certain apps now. Another hidden feature, battery optimization, because Android can automatically limit background activity for apps that consume too much power. This can significantly improve battery life, especially on older devices. Now let's talk about guest mode, because this is one of Android's most underrated features. Guest mode lets someone use your phone without seeing your messages, photos, apps, or personal information. And honestly, it's one of the best privacy features available. Now another useful trick, automatic spam protection. Many Android phones can identify spam calls, suspicious callers, and potential scam numbers without needing extra apps. And honestly, this feature becomes more valuable every year. Now let's talk about voice typing, because Android speech recognition has become incredibly accurate. You can write messages, take notes, search the web, and create documents using only your voice. And honestly, it's much faster than typing for many people. Now, something very important. Some features may vary depending on your phone manufacturer, because Samsung, Google, Motorola, Xiaomi, and other brands often add their own versions of Android tools, but most of these features are available on a large number of devices. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most Android users only use a small fraction of what their phones can actually do, and honestly, learning just a few hidden features can completely change the way you use your device. So to wrap this up, some of the best hidden Android features in 2026 include split screen mode, live caption, quick settings, customization, app pinning, quick share screen, recording, digital well-being, battery optimization, guest mode, and advanced voice typing. Because honestly, your Android phone is probably much more powerful than you realize.